Hi, Mehaboob.
I'm,
How are you?
I'm like good ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I
Yes.
want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placement and completing the course.
Thank you.
Okay, Mehaboob, introduce yourself about your college and native.
Myself, Mahbub ma'am. I am from Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my BTech in Annamacharya College, Tirupati ma'am.
Okay, Mehaboob. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
By my friend who got placed in Homeland ma'am in Hyderabad. He only told me about the CMTM.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Like, for which course you have joined for?
I have joined for CACM plus BE course.
Okay, like as you've chosen like advanced construction management, what are the new topics you have learned? How the course helped you to build up your career?
Yes, ma'am. I learned here bar bending schedule on QS, um, and softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit in Beam software, ma'am. Uh, and I have received some knowledge about this CSEM, and uh, and I also visited some sites, ma'am, like Victoria Hospital and command centers are working places, ma'am. In interior also, I had visited like Pepper Fry and IKEA. Some showrooms is there, man. I exited there, man.
Okay,
They gained some knowledge about the interior.
okay, that's nice to hear. How about your software sessions? What are the softwares you have learned?
Here I'm learned about SketchUp, man. 3D. In 3D SketchUp and Revit, I learned, man. And I learned AutoCAD also, man. 2D designing. It's nice to learn.
Okay, Mehaboob. Like, how was your interview preparations? How you started preparing yourself for your interviews?
Yes, ma'am. I prepared myself, and here helped by Natarajan sir and Virupaksha sir for giving some questions and asking some questions. I learned from them also, ma'am. And I listened through CMTI app. Is there, ma'am? Like that.
Okay, that's nice. Like, what are the rounds you have attended in the company? How was your interview?
In some of the companies, there will be one round and two rounds, ma'am. But I have got place in Homeland, ma'am. There will be three rounds, ma'am. First round will be personal details and some technical questions is there asked, ma'am. And second round in physical mode, ma'am. So there they given some rooms and measure the dimensions at all. They give a task, ma'am, to complete in the time. And third one will be discussed some personal details and what about the job description, those sort of things.
Okay, now for which role you have selected for?
I had selected for measurement execution.
Okay, I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI Institute?
Uh, it is good experience, ma'am, here, and I have got some more knowledge. Uh, I will be give feedback like some of the members join and learn courses as a fresher to got a placements in CMTI. It's better to join here.
Okay, ma'am. Like, thank you for your feedback. Nice talking with you.
Okay.
Yeah, have a bright future. Congratulations for your placement, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.